In today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of a complete meal packed with proteins, fibers, vitamins, carbs, everything that is needed to complete a meal. Try out this recipe. It's called Masala Khichdi. Very easy and superb taste. Hey guys, I'm Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you're new to my page, to subscribe to my page and not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this easy and tasty recipe. This recipe, I'll use pressure cooker, 1 cup of raw rice I have taken, preferably basmati rice, and 3/4 cup of Arhar Dal or Pigeon Pea pulse that I have taken. I need to wash both these ingredients and add this to this pressure cooker in this way. And as I have taken 1 cup of rice, in the same cup I'll measure around 4 cups of water. In this way 4 cups of water goes in. Just give it a mix and cover the lid. This needs to be pressure cooked at high flame for 1 whistle. Then I'll reduce the flame to lowest and cook for 2 more whistles. That's it, and switch off the flame and wait till the gas naturally resets. Meanwhile, we'll do the next process. So I've heated a nice large kadhai. You can take any open shape pan. To it I've added 3 tablespoons of refined oil, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Wait till it melts, and here are some ingredients. Dried chili 2 to 3 I have taken, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, mustard seeds half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, and garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, and turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. So basically, when the refined oil and clarified butter melts, it's nicely heated. First goes the cumin seeds, then mustard seeds, dried red chilli. These all are used for tempering. Wait for a few seconds, and then when it starts nicely to sputter, I'll add Asafoetida or Heeng around half teaspoon, and garlic cloves goes around 1 tablespoon, around 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. 2 ginger I have grated, that goes in, and 2 to 3 green chilli I have cut into small pieces, that goes in, and 2 bay leaves. Definitely the amount of green chilli depends upon your taste. Give it a mix. Wait for around 1 to 2 minutes till the ginger and garlic releases nice aroma, and once it's done, it will take hardly 1 to 2 minutes. I'll add 2 medium sized onions. These are finely chopped, and salt 1 teaspoon so that these onions will release their moisture and will turn soft. Give it a mix on medium flame, and for this recipe I have used a large kadhai. It's very good because we'll be adding the rice and dal to this dish only. So make sure you use a open large pot and wait for around 7 to 8 minutes till the onion starts to soften. We don't want it brown, it should just soften. And some veggies goes in. Cauliflower florets 1 cup, medium sized carrots I have chopped around 2. Here I have taken 1 large potato that I have cubed in small pieces. So basically we can add all these vegetables, and this need to be stirred fried on high flame for initial 3 to 4 minutes. So that this can be nicely sauteed, and after 3 to 4 minutes 1.5 teaspoon of salt goes here, because this is the time I will be adding salt, because I have not added any salt in the rice and pulses. Give it a mix on open flame for around 2 to 3 minutes more, and you can see the vegetables will start to soften. At this stage, after 4 minutes of sauteing, I'll add chopped French bean around half a cup. And yes, if you are using fresh green peas, you can add at this stage, but I'll be using frozen, so I'll add at later stage. And all the dry spices goes in at this stage. Now just give it everything a mix for around 1 minute, and now you can see these vegetables are almost done around 30 to 40%. At this stage, I'll add 1 large size tomato that I've cut into small pieces. This goes in. Give it a mix, and now is the time to cover it on low flame and leave it for around 6 to 7 minutes, because these tomatoes will release their moisture and these veggies will be perfectly cooked and they will turn out super crunchy, yet can be cooked nicely. So just cover it for 7 to 8 minutes on low flame, and meanwhile my pressure cooker has released its pressure, and let me just open it, and yes, it's perfectly done. 1 whistle on high flame and 2 whistle on low flame, and it's done. And you can see that it has absorbed all 4 cups of water. Now it's time to add 1 glass full of water. It would be around 200 ml approx. So basically I'll just mix it, and you can see this dal or pulse and rice will be nicely mixed. This is the consistency, because we might be needing to add some more water, because this khichdi or this dish should be semi thick. So this is perfect. You can see how nicely the rice and dal has cooked, and meanwhile the vegetables are getting ready. And after 7 to 8 minutes on low flame, these veggies are almost 80% done. Now give it a mix and increase the flame to highest because these veggies were cooked on low flame. So now after increasing the flame, I'll add the cooked rice and pulses, and this will create the magic. So here goes the cooked rice and pulses, and you can see the consistency, and I think it might need a little more amount of water. And now on high flame I'll start to mix for initial 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you mix it in high flame for 3 to 4 minutes, then reduce the flame to medium, give it a mix, you can see. And now this consistency, it will start to simmer because the rice and dal were really hot. And as I had not added the fresh peas, I'll use frozen, so this goes at this stage. And if we use the fresh, we can add it with the veggies, some 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped green coriander and half a cup more of water. I just think it would be perfect because this will gradually turn more dense. So give it a stir, and now on medium flame I'll wait till it starts to bubble out, and then I'll just cover it for 2 to 3 minutes so that everything can be nicely mixed. So after covering for 2 to 3 minutes, this khichdi is perfectly done. Give it a stir. You can adjust salt at this stage, and my consistency is perfect. This is best enjoyed steaming hot, so make sure you adjust the quantity of water. It's perfectly done, the consistency you can see, and these veggies are looking awesome. They have retained the perfect color, yet they are cooked. And now it's time to finish it out with some green chopped coriander leaves, and let's serve this yummy, tasty and nutrition packed dish. This goes into my beautiful plate, and you can see the consistency, the color of the veggies are so alluring. And do not forget to add around half a teaspoon of ghee. Yes, it's obviously personal, you can also add some butter. This goes in, and this khichdi is ready to be served. Everything that we need for a perfect balanced meal, every ingredient is present in the dish. There's some carbs, there's some protein, some fibers, veggies, healthy fats. Anything you call for, this dish is for you. Try this out and let me know how it turned out. And now it's time for comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Sukanya Roy. She writes, all dishes are so specifically made. Very nice demonstration. Thank you so much. Is actually commenting on the recipe of my thali. That's Diwali special thali. Thank you so much, Sukanya. Thank you for connecting with me. Much love. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, there's a special masala khichdi. Try this out. You'll love the flavors of this simple yet nutritious dish. And you can also follow Sue's Food Corner on Instagram and Facebook. If you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.